Hello friends, so welcome back my channel Smart English Hub with Preeti. So I am here with the new informative video that is about to the how to start the YouTube channel. How you will create the YouTube channel. Nowadays people want to become a YouTuber but they don't know how they can start their YouTube channel. So I will guide you how you can create your YouTube channel. So let's begin. First we have to go for the Gmail. You have to click on your Google Chrome, then log in by the Gmail ID. In my system already have a Gmail ID login. So if you have already login in your mobile phone, in your system already login your Gmail ID, so you have to go for the YouTube. I have already logged in my email ID, so there is already inbuilt one YouTube channel. So you can see in my screen there is already the YouTube channel. So I just click on that. Here is your mail ID. So there is a mention view your channel. So I click on that. Then you can see here we have already the channel, so that is why it's showing like this. But if you want to change your channel name, it's already inbuilt by the Gmail. So if you want to create your YouTube channel name by your choice, so you can create by your choice. So first we have to click on the customize channel. So this is the banner. So if you want to create any kind of banner, so you can use the Canva. So in next video I will suggest you how to use the Canva. So next video I will come with the next video about the Canva, how to use the Canva. So this is the banner. So here is the option is that how to upload the banner. So there is the option, you can click on the upload. If you have already the banner, like I have already the banner, so I just click on that, then open it, then it kind of that is my banner, so that is I can upload if I want to create any kind of channel. So that if I upload, then next is the picture. If you want to create any picture, like if you want to use photo, like you have any kind of image, so that you have to if you want to add the picture, so you can click on the change. After for changing there, if I have one image, so I can upload that kind of picture. I am not uploading because already I have a channel, so I am just showing to all of you how to add the picture. If you are using any customized picture, so you have to click on that. Then here is the option, so you can drag and down also. What's the picture you want to upload, so you can drag in this way, up and down like that. Okay, then if you want to upload the picture, so you can click on the done. If you are not, so you can click on the cancel option. Now here is already the mention of the name of the Preeti Gupta. This is my channel name. So if you want to change your channel name, so you can click on this. You just remove this content and then like if I want to create the channel name of the tutor example, it's depend on you how to what channel is your name, what you have decided the channel. So you can put the channel name here on the name. Like that, if I upload my channel name is tutor, so if I click on the publish, so here is you are seeing your channel name is Preeti Gupta. So like if you publish name is the tutor, so you can click on the publish. After publishing, your channel name is showing the tutor. This way, like you can change your name of your channel. Now we move on the handle. Already I am handling this channel, so no need to change this. Now we move on the description. How to use the description? Like we can say about the like if you are using the description, like it's depend on the niche, which niche you are creating the content, which kind of content you are creating on your channel. Like if you are a traveler, so you can do one thing, you can use the ChatGTP. So from ChatGTP there is an option, you can ask anything. Like if you create a description, sometimes it's happen people don't know what kind of description they have to put in their channel. So like if you are a traveler, if you want to create a traveler content, so you can give the prompt to the ChatGTP. Please give the suggestion of traveler description. Then ChatGTP give the many suggestions. You can put anyone else, what it's your niche, like what would you like, so you can take from here any description and put in your channel. Like I have to take this like I'm a traveler enthusiast who enjoyed discovering hidden gems, experiencing different culture. It's depend on you. If you would like to share anything, like you can take the two description also. And now I take a one description of that is. Now I just put it on my description. That is I had done. Now click on the content. Like you are a tutor, so original language, like if you want to change your language, like if you are a tutor of the English, Hindi, so it's depend on you. Like so you can select the India. Like if you are a tutor of the Hindi or English, so you can select according to your channel translation. So you can use Hindi or English, whatever you need. So it's depend on you. Okay. Now let's move on the language. So language, it's depend on you. Which language do you want to use? So you can click on the language, then click on the done. Now because we have already the channel, so we are not clicking on the done. I'm just cancelling it. Now here is mentioning the email ID. If you want to put your mail ID, so you can put your mail ID here. I already put it. I have already the channel, so no need to put any email ID here. Then now comes on the video watermark. I think there is no need for watermark. You just avoid it. Now after filling all the detail, you can click on the publish. After publishing, your channel name is showing here. Then we have to go for the okay. So in that way you can create your channel. If you have any query, if you want to change again your name, so you can go for the name again and you can edit your name from here. And then after completing all the things, you can click on the publish. In that way you can create your YouTube channel. So that channel name if you want to create, so in that way you can learn and you can earn from your channel. So now we have to go for the another tab, that is the home tab. So we can see what is the video over there on my channel. Like one video is already I mentioning. I think I started this channel 3 to 4 years ago. That time I created some video, so that is uploaded on my channel. So that is why it's showing on my videos option. You can check, here is the playlist option was there. If you can click on the playlist option, so your video is open on your YouTube. Like you can see, actually before that I was working working with my husband as a property broker. So that time I created some videos, so that is why it's showing on my channel. That is it. Okay. now let's move on the how to do the analyze your channel. So first we can click on the analytics. Okay, actually we didn't create any channel, so that is why they are asking, do you want to discard it or do you want to continue? I discard it because I have already the channel. So now you can analyze your channel by the analytics. So here is the mention, what is, how many views was there, watch time was there, how many subscribers was there. So you can analyze your channel by this analytics. Now let's move on the, here is the, this is the overview. If you want to see your content, so you can click on the content. Like 5 impression I got it with 0 impression, 0 average view duration is 0. So if you are using your any channel, like you can see other ones also have a viewers impression, so you can analyze the channel from this analytics. Now we can move on the audience, how many audience have seen my channel. So we can see here, and then is the trend. So here we are getting some trending options was there, like we are getting some arrow like that. So there is the trend is showing, like your channel is going upside or downside, that is showing here. Now let's move on the subtitle. Okay, so if you want to create any subtitles, for subtitles you if you upload any video, so after publishing there is the option, they are actually in that already the upload. If I will create a new video for that, how to use the subtitles if while uploading the video on YouTube. Now let's move on the, here is the earn option, how to earn, like you are getting some earning, then you can see, check here. There is no need for setting. If you want to see the setting, what is the setting is there, so you can click on the Indian currency if you want, and upload defaults you can check. Permission, there is no like I'm already using this this is my YouTube channel, so like I'm the owner like that. If you want to give the permission of your YouTube channel, so you can add some invite other people also from here. Okay, then I think there is the basic needs, whatever the basic need is required. So I tell all about the YouTube. So if you want to start any YouTube channel, so you can see my video. If you like this kind of video, so please like and subscribe my video. So I will come with the new informative video that is about to the how to use the Canva. And thanks for watching my video. I will come with the new informative video for my viewers that is about to the how to use the Canva. So I will create a new video about how to use the Canva, how you can create your banner for Facebook, for Instagram. So I will help you for my viewers and for new subscriber. If you like this kind of video, so please like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.